first thing we do is timing with the applications. As soon as any animals are assigned to a study, we can begin the application process and pull up all the information and put it together before the study even starts. We can apply for multi-use permits as well if we know there's going to be multiple shipments over a certain course of time. Then we get 5 permits right away, and we can, after 6 months, depending on what we've used, we can then apply for additional what they call clone permits, which come much quicker than, it's not a full application, they're just reissuing some additional permits to us. Communication with the agency and building the relationship is incredibly important, and we've done that to a very strong degree. 35 years in the business, I know a lot of the people at Fish and Wildlife, so we can have very good logical discussions with the different people and sort things out much more calmly. The streamlined application of the documentation, there was an incident where one of the applications had approximately 30 documents, PDFs, that were attached, and that was flagged by Fish and Wildlife. And what we did is have a good discussion, a meeting with a bunch of their key people, and set up a process where we extract the documents that are relevant from each of the packages and just provide those. So it becomes just a one streamlined document for the application. And if ever they did have questions, because they do realize we always have all those additional documents on hand, they can just request the additional information to clarify a point or something like that. So that makes it much easier and quicker for their biologists to go through all the information. The information packet that we provide also is put together in exactly the format that Fish and Wildlife prefers for reviewing the documents, because they need to be able to find everything they need per animal, per document type, per agency type, to ensure that all is legally acquired and so on. Legally acquired is terminology that Fish and Wildlife uses all the time. There's no question that everything is legally acquired, but it's part of their process and one of the more important features of what they do. And then we do follow-up. We reach out to them either directly to the biologist per the e-permit system. There's different ways to do it, and if ever there is any particular problems, I can support and reach out to Fish and Wildlife on behalf of any of our sites.